If you trade crypto long enough, you learn one hard lesson very quickly. The biggest problem is not finding movement. The biggest problem is processing movement fast enough before the window closes. That is exactly the problem Brekutios claims it was built to solve. According to the official website, Brekutios presents itself as an autonomous crypto execution engine operating around the clock, with live market data streaming continuously and strategy logic reacting the instant market conditions shift. So the real question is not whether the website looks modern. The real question is whether the operating model behind it sounds coherent when you break it down piece by piece. On the site, Brekutios positions itself as an official trading platform in the United States, built around a unified architecture rather than disconnected tools. The language is very direct. It emphasizes intelligent automation, immediate order fills, safeguarded asset handling, and sub-millisecond order routing inside one system. The platform also highlights scale aggressively. According to the website, Brekutios reports 7.6 million verified user reviews, 9 million verified members, and 5 million live trading sessions. Whether you treat those figures as marketing claims or operational signals, they clearly show how the platform wants to be perceived: large, active, and structurally established. From there, the site builds its case around three major use patterns. First, high-speed scalp execution. Here, the emphasis is on ultra-low latency routing, order book surveillance across more than 40 exchanges, and slippage reduction through smart routing logic. The pitch is simple. When price gaps appear and disappear within seconds, the execution layer has to react before the advantage is gone. Second, intraday momentum capture. In this section, Brekutios describes a model where technical readings and live sentiment data are combined to rank directional opportunities by strength. The site claims false breakouts are filtered early, while stops and targets adjust as volatility changes during the session. That matters because day trading is not just about direction, it's about timing, structure, and disciplined adaptation under pressure. Third, longer horizon position building. Here, the message changes from speed to selection quality. The platform says it processes macro releases, on-chain metrics, and institutional positioning to isolate setups with stronger risk-reward structure. It also describes phased entry logic, where capital is deployed gradually as confirmations accumulate. That is a very different style from scalping, and the site is clearly trying to show that one engine can support both ends of the trading spectrum. Another major pillar on the website is intelligence. Brekutios describes three modules working together: macro context, fundamental sentiment, and technical pattern recognition. The site says live news, policy shifts, chart formations, liquidity patterns, and momentum behavior are all merged into one decision environment. The stated goal is not to flood the trader with raw data, but to produce clearer, more actionable signals. Security is framed just as heavily. The website highlights layered authentication, hardened encryption, isolated infrastructure, continuous surveillance, and regular external testing. It also states that 97% of client capital is held offline and that platform availability reaches 99.997%. A standing liquidity buffer is presented as another stability layer during volatility spikes and sudden market stress. Support and access are positioned as operational strength too. The platform says identity verification is friction light, support is available around the clock, and the environment is designed to keep traders moving instead of getting stuck in delays. So, what is the practical conclusion? Brekutios is presenting itself less like a simple broker-style front end and more like a structured execution environment built around speed, signal filtering, continuity, and control. That does not automatically prove the model in practice, but it does give you a clear framework for evaluation. If you want to assess Brekutios seriously, the right approach is straightforward. Look at the execution claims, look at the security structure, look at the intelligence model, and, most importantly, look at whether those elements form one consistent system rather than isolated promises. That's where the real review